Hello, today's topic? At the water park.
What do you want to do first at the water park?
Let's go on the water slides.
Sounds like fun. Which one do you want to try?
I heard the big blue one is the best.
Okay, let's head over there.
Do you have your swimsuit on?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Great, let's climb up the stairs.
It's a bit steep, isn't it?
Yes, but it'll be worth it.
Look at the view from up here.
It's amazing. Let's slide down.
That was exhilarating.
I want to go again.
Me too, but let's try another slide.
Okay, let's go for the green one next.
It looks twisty and fast.
Hold on tight. Here we go.
That was awesome. I love water slides.
Me too, they're my favorite.
Do you want to relax in the lazy river?
Yes, that sounds nice and refreshing.
Let's grab a tube and float.
Ah, this feels so relaxing.
I could stay here all day.
Me too, but there's more to explore.
Let's check out the wave pool.
I love swimming in the waves.
Me too, it feels like the ocean.
This has been a fantastic day.
Absolutely. Let's come back again.
Vocabulary.
Water. Slide. Swimsuit. Stairs. Amazing. Fast. Hold. Tight. Lazy. River. Refreshing. Tube. Float. Swimming. Relaxing. Fantastic. Explore. Wave. Pool. Ocean.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.